So for part A, we can use the index of refraction to know which medium is slower and which medium is faster. So crown glass has a higher index, so it's slower compared to water. So therefore, this situation, we are going from a slower to faster medium. And when you're going from a slower to faster medium, it refracts away from the normal. That is something I personally memorize, just which way is which. Slower to faster will refract away from the normal. We're going to confirm that anyhow with the mathematical calculations in part B. So this is Snell's law. So for the subscript of 1, I'll use crown glass. So the index of crown glass times sine of the angle while it's in crown glass, which is 20 degrees. And then equals the index for water times sine of the angle when it's in the water, which will be theta 2. And I'll solve for theta 2. It will be the inverse sine after a little rearranging. Okay, we'll get out the calculator. And we come up with 23 degrees. So it is greater than 20 degrees, therefore the angle got bigger. It refracted away from the normal.